Okay, do a walk around to this car today. Got a lot of work to do on it, but it's getting there. Had to replace the whole wiring harness all the way from front to back. Don't have the wires going up underneath the front to the parking lights yet, but the headlights all work. Squirrels did a little bit of chewing on the front of it. There on the corner of the hood, both sides are chewed up. Still got to get some fans for it. What else? There's the engine harness I took out of it. It's chewed up. Got the new one in it. Hadn't started it up yet today, but let's see if it'll start. I still got a bunch of the dash tore out of it. Still trying to get the throttle to work. It won't rev up, but at least it'll start maybe.
4 miles in the Himalaya, and to do it
exhaust leak or that little hole right there where the air, some kind of air thing. I still got to put a plate over that. But it's getting there. Be driving it someday soon, maybe. Compared to what it was when I first started, it's pretty unbelievable. I'm gonna pause it right here and raise it up and look underneath it. Okay, I think we're recording again. There's some of the front lights that the horns that got mounted, but some more wiring that I still have to fix up front. And I'm in the process of trying to get my throttle to work, and I think this might clean that out, might help it. Some kind of a controller or something, but I take all the exhaust out and all that tunnel and everything to change all the wiring out, and all of the fuel lines up in there were chewed all to pieces, and I had to replace all that. I had to pull the driver's side fuel tank out to get all the fuel lines in there, and I replaced the fuel pump and the sending unit on it while I had it out. And all these lines are been replaced, all the harness for the backlights and all that. Gonna have to have some new tires, but anyway, it's getting closer all along. I don't know what else I can say. All of that right there where the computer sits, CPU, all of that was solid mud from where the leaves and the dirt, and you can still kind of tell where I cleaned all that out. See, this is nasty, dirty, all ever up in there, but got all the wiring harness replaced and all the radiator support thing right there. It was somebody had tied onto it right there, and with a tow strap, and it was bent almost all the way to the front of the bumper up there in front, all the way up to here. And I had to massage and re-weld that because I wasn't going to pay $450 for a new one. But it will eventually be drivable. Oh, and there's a alright. I'll end this right here and continue working on this thing. Thanks for watching. Bye.